Good morning, Ma'am Widya. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Rahma Asih from Office Administration 2018. I would like to answer the question about internship program report on corporate communication of PT XL Axiata. For the first question about the purpose of the binocular system or the website of xl.binocular.net, Binocular is a website that make a corporation with the company to help the company collecting the press release news data that has published by XL Axiata and has been reported by the regional or national media. For the procedure to using Binocular, we must to sign in with username and password by the company first. After we get in to their homepage, we can immediately using the search feature on it. Then put the title and also the published date of the press release. Then click the search button. After that, the media and also the news that they're made will be displayed. There are so many features on the website of Binocular. We can see all the news which have even recently published by the media, not only about the company but also about the competitor. For the second question about my obstacles regarding to the unstable network, flexible working time, and miscommunication, I don't want the company judge me and that I have a low loyalty. Because of that, I have got some solution to resolve and anticipated it. I can directly move my working place to get a better connection or contact the customer service of the Wi-Fi company and electricity to ask and confirm about the network that has been broken. After that, I will do my work and collecting it as fast but still right as possible I can. I will do my best for my work. And to anticipation of flexible working time, I also dividing the work time according to the difficulty level of the task and the length of the processing time. Such as for the clipping the telecommunication news, I did this kind of task in the morning from 8 until 10 a.m. because this test take a short time and more easier than others. For the second task, there is collecting the news telecommunication from media online. I usually did it from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. And after that, from 2 p.m. until 5 p.m., I will do my last task for calculating the news distribution of press release. I will answer about the Binocular can help company reputation management to measure the performance of public relation is because they can help the company to monitoring the press release that has been published by the company, and mostly of them contain the social responsibility program or activities that can make a good corporate image. And from the Binocular, we can know that the press release news was distributing to all over the country. So there are many stakeholders that can see it, such as the governments, public, and investor. The good news that build positive company image will increase their interest to continue their relationship with the company. For the question number 4 about the inconsistent theory with the practice on the company, one of them is on office administration program study. We have a course of professional ethics that contain the material of work discipline. The definition about discipline of work is ways that the leaders do to influence employer to obey with the company regulation. At the time when I did my internship program, the leaders or the group head once complained about the employer that always must have take a long time to finish his task during these quarantines to reduce the coronavirus disease by working from home program. So I think maybe there is a gap from the theory that I got with the implementation about discipline of work in the office field, because the leader should be able to take an action or make a decision to prevent the same thing that already happened and also be done by other employer. And to answer the question number 5 about the suggestion for the company, I would like to suggest the company to improve their new regulation about working from home for the employer, and do not hesitate to give harsh penalty for the employee that break the rules. Other than that, for the question number 4, on office administration program study, there are a course of office automation that contains the material such as the purpose of office automation. That is, one of that is to be able to complete the assignment faster. Application like binocular that made to make a work of calculating the news distribution easier is one of the office automation. But in the work implementation, the news data in excel.binocular.net always increasing all the time. But they doesn't have a feature to sorting the news data according to the submitted time in binocular. So it can make a lot of news data being missed and not counted. So also for the question number 5, I want to suggest about the system for news updates. Please add a news sorting feature, especially based on the time when the news entered into the website of xl.binocular.net. It will be much helpful for the employer who have the same task like me, and the process of calculating the news distribution of press release to the media target will take a more or less time. Maybe the fault is not from the company, but the company can ask for additional feature to the binoculars. That's all for my presentation, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.